Lilan Intelligence, leading the industry with intelligence. It creates the fastest automatic liquor packaging production line in China. From providing a complete set of packaging materials to packing, palletizing, and warehousing, it achieves an intelligent manufacturing mode, a full integrated process, automatic warehousing of packaging materials, coming and going smoothly like wind. Intelligent 3D camera assists robots in automatic cardboard depalletizing, automatic cutting and apps, hot melt glue high-speed automatic case erector, 40 boxes per minute. 3D camera assists robot in automatic bottle depalletizing, 26,400 bottles per hour. 3D camera assists robot in automatic palletizing and depalletizing of gift bags or baskets. 3D camera assists robot in automatic box depalletizing, 24,000 boxes per hour. 3D camera assists robot in automatically depalletizing bottle caps, and the bottle caps can be automatically cleaned and dusted. Each automated unit operates smoothly and efficiently, ensuring continuous and stable supply of packaging materials. High-speed filling and cap tightening machine, high-speed box packing machine, precisely control packing quantity. Robot automatic box sorting, automatic strapping, automatic supply of pallets, and the efficiency of the overall automatic palletizing production line can reach 24,000 bottles per hour. AGV automatic warehouse entry and exit, and automatic management of on-site logistics. Lilan Intelligence continuously enhances intelligent thinking, enabling technology and innovation to update production.